Hey, what are you doing? Sitting down and relaxing. Well, get down from there. We have to work on combining volumes. I can't do that from here. Okay, where do we start? Well, the figure we have looks a little different. But if we break it up into two rectangular prisms, we will be able to find the total volume. Okay, this is the top prism after we separated it. Remember, the formula for volume of a figure is volume equals length times width times height. So after we place the values into the formula, we get V equals 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. So the volume of the top prism is 12 cubic centimeters. V equals 12. Okay, but what about the bottom rectangular prism? Same thing. Always start with the formula V equals length times width times height. Insert the values, so V equals 6 times 4 times 2. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 times 2 is 48. So the volume of the bottom rectangular prism is 48 cubic centimeters. Okay, now what? Does this problem have two answers? No. You just add the two volumes to get the total volume of the entire prism. 48 plus 12 equals 60. So the volume of the original figure is 60 cubic centimeters. So we did it. You're right. That wasn't so hard at all. I still enjoy sitting here, no matter what the total volume of my seat is. Is that okay? Sure. Have a seat. And see you all next time.